Hello Seekers, welcome to Lifetime Soul, another video on Moon Transit. Moon will make its move in the sign of Scorpio on 16th of August and will make its move out of Scorpio on 18th. So this couple of days, Moon will remain debilitated in the Scorpio zodiac sign along with Ketu, because Ketu is in the sign of Vrishchik, Scorpio. On one hand, Moon becomes debilitated. On the other hand, on 16th, Sun goes into the final degree of Ashlesha Nakshatra. This Sun in the final degrees of Ashlesha is very volatile. This is a volatile ego, shift of personality. This can create high levels of irritation, high levels of drama, and sudden change in mood and behavior in people with bad Sun or Moon in their natal horoscope. Also, if you're running a Rahu Mahadasha, Ketu Mahadasha or Shani Mahadasha, you can also experience sudden mood shift, mood swing. So a precaution has to be taken that for the next 3-4 days, don't try to do any kind of don't take any emotional decision, and try to be as practical as possible. Grounding is very much necessary in this case. You also see that this Sun in the last degree of Ashlesha will cross Gandanta of Ashlesha and Magha, and Saturn, retrograde Saturn in the sign of Capricorn, will directly aspect this Sun. So there will be a grinding force, a shift in focus, and this will have to be handled with meditation, with proper attention to self, because Moon and Ketu will make you detached. This is also the time frame when true psychic power can be developed in you, because Ashlesha is Naga Nakshatra. It's a nakshatra that represents crossing a boundary. This is also a very spiritual position where you can tap into your powers of Kundalini. Moon and Ketu is definitely a psychic formation, but Moon is very weak when it merges with Ketu in Scorpio. This means that disorientation, dizziness, detachment, sudden loneliness, feeling of leaving and quitting, and sudden drop of confidence will be key here. And so if you are somebody who is suffering from some kind of mental issue, depression, anxiety, nervousness, for these 3 days, understand that if something bad is happening, or if you're thinking that the depression is coming up, or there is an onset of negative emotion, it is nothing with you but with planets. So handle it accordingly, and if it crosses a certain limit and if you're not feeling, don't try to take any panic decision. Rather, have a proper consultation with a learned person, some loved ones, or maybe somebody who can understand you, and proper communication will easily handle this. If you stop the communication, then it can be a problem, because third from Moon is Saturn. Now definitely Scorpio is ruled by Mars, so position of Mars is very important, and Mars is comfortably placed, and Mars with its position with Mercury is giving a hope, because Mars' fourth aspect right now falls on Scorpio. Now with that fourth aspect, Mars will definitely protect the position of Moon and Ketu, and it's like a war that will never happen. So it's only in the mind, and that you have to handle through practical understanding of the situation, and then trying to understand whether your actions are going to lead you into a bad consequence, or is it a positive course of action. By proper carefully analyzing the outcome, you can easily work around with this small couple of days transit. Moon Ketu can actually be damaging to emotions, so don't take any emotional decision related to relationships in this couple of days. Overall, this is going to be a transit that will elevate anxiety, but also a transit that will give you the psychic power. So if you can meditate a lot and pray, this will be a great time to develop intuitive capacities, understand, listen to your gut feeling, and listen to your inner voice. This is the time when you are not external, but going internal. This is an internal communication. And if you can do that, you will see that you will get maximum out of this transit. Don't get depressed, but pray. Prayer will be acting as a healing power. Well, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your time. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, this is your host Puneet. Bye-bye.